So here I'm in Rishikesh, not looking for peace, just tired of noise, of people, of pretending I'm okay when I'm not. I didn't know what I was searching for, but this river, it is a way of making you stop searching. And then came Triveni Ghat. I stood there. The air was heavy with prayer, but light with something you can't describe. Maybe just a moment where everything inside me went still. Of course, the universe has balance. Because the very next day, I was being tossed around in a raft, screaming like someone who clearly skipped arm day. Well, it was unforgettable, absolutely. But in between the chaos and the calm, something shifted. Not dramatically, just quietly. I stopped running, stopped performing, and started feeling. Oh, no, this wasn't a trip. This was a return to silence, to stillness, to something sacred. Not around me, but within me.